I made it back to the Yukon. I just spent the day in Alaska, aka Skagway. I spent the day there and I did a tour, which was pretty cool. I'll do a little video on that soon. But I'm at my friend Ashley's and her girlfriend Louise's, finally in preparation to start filming a skate video documentary about her nonprofit. So I'm really excited. It's a beautiful little cabin. You might remember it from my last video about the Yukon. I'm really happy to be back. Good morning, it's just after 7 a.m. and I'm heading off to Alaska and I'm currently in Whitehorse, Yukon. I just spent the night at Bee's Knees Backpackers in Whitehorse, Yukon. Super cute little hostel, really safe, comfortable. Stayed in the co-ed bunk bed dorm, I guess, and it was super nice, chill. I have to say I just felt super safe, so yeah, it was super cool and I highly recommend it. I made it back with the dogs. Today's location, finally shooting with the kids today. I'm so excited, and Ashley's currently doing a photo shoot. successful day of skate shops.
Yeah, good day one.
And now it's time for a plunge.
Yes, let's get cooled off.
Lake for the vlog.
And even if Ada was okay with like us her handing it.
This thing. Oh. Okay. So.
Yeah, I mean we don't have to get the logo per se. But.
Yeah, exactly. It usually works until it falls over.
That's fine. It's just gonna be a snippet anyways.
The last one would be
My nose.
and
Perfect. Beauty.
thanks, Dave. You're welcome. There you go. This one's for YouTube, I was gonna say, but yeah. Cheers. I know.
Oh. You're not driving.
He's got lots of space.
I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're
On a water mission for one of their kids. One of the kids, their dad didn't bring water again and they fell down. So I got tons of footage yesterday. No interviews, but tons of footage of the kids getting around and Ashley and the other teacher Annie, and it was awesome. So today I'm just chilling a little bit more and glad I could be helpful. So many questions.